At Decno, we firmly believe that true quality begins at the source. Only by selecting premium raw materials can we deliver products that are stable, durable, and trustworthy. From sourcing to strict incoming inspection, we follow standards that far exceed international requirements. Let us walk you through the key materials behind our superior SPC. A critical ingredient for purity, stability, and durability. The rest we use surpasses international benchmarks in moisture content, particle size, and other performance indicators, ensuring a strong foundation for the SPC rigid core. Our specifications are exceptionally demanding. Higher calcium content, brighter whiteness, lower moisture, and finer mesh size. Only with these high standards can the product's appearance and physical performance reach perfection. Imported from Thailand and Korea, these additives enhance toughness, rigidity, and overall stability. Long-term data shows that Decno SPC Flooring outperforms competitors in impact resistance and dimensional stability. Decno, high-quality flooring and wall panel manufacturer.